Hello guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through all the prompts in TOME AI to help you generate a more interactive and an exciting presentation for your audience. This video will be in 5 parts, so be sure to follow up on the rest of the video by subscribing and clicking the notification button to get notified whenever I post a new video. As usual, my name is Nasif and I make tutorial videos on productivity software tools to help you become more efficient and effective at work. To start using TOME, you would have to create an account. If you do not know how to use TOME, I have made a full video on how to use TOME. Kindly find the link in the description box below. As I said earlier, this video will be in 5 parts. In the first part, I'll be walking you through using broad or specific prompts. Without wasting much time, let's begin. First, we would have to create a page for our presentation. Okay, so after this page appears, I will just say create presentation about. So I can choose to say storyline or anything of that sort. One thing you have to know is that in using the prompt, you don't need to say creating or create, or you don't need to use make. You just have to start with whatever you want to go with. And with specific prompts, I'd want to let's go to this page and then I'll introduce you to some of the prompts that you can use. So we have for work, we have for personal, we have page deck, we have sales, we have for leadership, we have technical overview. So these are prompts that you can use. Yes. So I would want to show you how to use the prompt. Let's say we want to make a page deck. So I would start to say, and to be more emphatic about what I'm doing, I'll just start with broad. So I'll just make it a vague topic that says, so I'll just say a product development page deck for direct to consumer tech company. So the keyword now is pitch deck. So a product development page deck. Yes. Enter and then let's see what it generates. Okay, so I'll just click keep it, and then now it's generating the pictures for me, the images for me. Okay, so it's generating them. So let's start with the topic that it provides us. So it says disrupting the market, direct to consumer page deck. So like that is kind of the topic it generates for us. You can still edit it to suit what you want. So in editing it, we have this feature, so you can rewrite it, you can adjust the tone, you can reduce, you can expand. Yeah, it's up to you to do all that. Yes. So it also provides us with an overview of what we are going to run through. That is the topics we are going to run through. And then it presents us with this just as a page deck. Yes. Present us with this, and then with this, and then with this. Yes. So this is a more vague topic that I used. It is a broad topic that I used. It's not specific. Yes. And this is what it generates for us. Yes. You can choose to change all these images. Okay, so now let's look at the other one, which is to be more specific. So I would click here and then create another page, and then here, and then a presentation, and then I'll click here. Okay, so to be more specific, I would say a product development page deck for a new AI company that offers customers the opportunity to generate movie scripts on the go, include testimonials and international recognition. So if you want, you can add a lot of things to be more specific about what you want, and then you click on enter. Let's see what it generates for us. Okay, so this is what the topic it says Scriptify. So it gave me the name of the company. It says Scriptify, the AI movie script generator. Yes. So yes. Yes, so it gives us the overview of what we are going through, and then it says introduction, a new AI company, a lot of them. Yes, so this one tries to be specific on what you want. So we are now talking about a movie script company, a movie scripting company that offers opportunity to what generate movie script on the go. So it talks about only that. Thank you for watching this video, and as I said, this video is in 5 parts. So this is the part 1. Be sure to follow up on the rest of the video by clicking the notification button to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you, and see you in the next one.